today's video we are going to discuss about this channel art. You can call it wallpaper or you can call it background image of your YouTube channel, but technically this is known as channel art, this section where this template is made. Alright, so in this video I will be discussing about that how can we edit it in a perfect size. So first of all, I will be using a photo editing software. I'll be using GIMP, that is 2.10.8 version. You can use any other software. You can use Photoshop, you can use platforms like Canva, you can use Adobe PS Lite. There are many softwares. So this is for simply editing the image, but first of all we need a template file. How we are going to download it? So first of all you need to log in to your YouTube channel, then you have to open your channel page, and now when I am moving my cursor in this window, in this small window, you can see this camera icon is popping in like this. Alright, like this. So simply you can click here or you can go to customize channel and this option will come also there, but this is the simplest way. Click on this, a pop-up window will appear. Now here you can upload your photos, or if you have used any photos or in your Google gallery you can use photos, but you need a perfect size. So for that perfect size we will be downloading a template, and that you will get in this link, how to create channel art. Click on it, a new window appears. This is a YouTube page, YouTube help or YouTube creators page, where there is all information about create or edit channel art, what is channel art, how to create. You also have a video on it by YouTube team, etc, etc. Actually it is called your YouTube banner, YouTube channel art banner. So now we need the template. You can also read the information from here, or you can download the channel art. So first of all I'm searching the channel art. Where is the channel art? Template, branding of YouTube channel, display. Now the most important thing that we need is a channel art template. So how will we get that channel art template? Just scroll down and you will see here a video. Let me refresh this page. Okay, so here is this page, this video uploaded by YouTube in this page only. You can just switch to this video and now pause it, and you can see here a I button. This is called the info button, also known as card. Click on it and you will get a link of channel art template. Click this link and the channel art template will download here. Now simply going to the downloads, and for convenience I will bring this to desktop. Now I will extract this folder, extract here, and as I use GIMP, so here is a folder, a file, editing file of this is actually a universal, it is in a universal extension, so you can use any photo editing software or you can use platforms like Canva to edit this template. Now what I will be doing, I'll switch to GIMP and go to open, and I will go to desktop, and this was my channel art template.psd, and I will open it. You can also use PNG, no issue, but I am using PSD format. I will not convert any color scheme. So this is the channel art template. So let me make you understand this. The first box, this box, the dark gray box, shows the in this box whatever content is there, this will show in your desktop, minimum desktop and mobile phone screens, means small desktops and mobile phone screens only. Now if we go further in this region, from a bit light gray than this. This is a resolution of tablet, and if we go to a desktop mode, then this is your resolution of a desktop YouTube. That looks like this. If I cross this, that looks like this is your desktop mode. If you open the channel in a mobile phone, only this part will be visible. And if anybody is using Android TV or smart TV and watching YouTube on it, then this whole image will be shown as channel art there. Now what you have to do, I will be simply importing or opening my ARBX Codex channel logo. I especially made this. You can also design any of such picture as per your choice. You can upload any photo or collage. So this is my picture. Now what I will do, I will select it, Control A and Control C, selected it. I will paste it here in a new layer. Now what I will do, this is my channel art, and I will be reducing the opacity. This is my opacity because I designed this wallpaper all with the help of this channel art. That's why it's of perfect size. You can see this is of perfect size in the respect of a mobile phone and also a desktop screen. If I reduce the opacity, you will see that exactly this is your portion where your mobile phone channel art captures, and after that this is your tablet mode and this is your desktop mode. So by this you can edit your any channel art, and then at the end you can either reduce the opacity or simply delete the channel art, like I am deleting the layer. Now you are left with this picture. Now what you have to do, simply exporting this picture. Because I'm doing GIMP, it is exporting. In any other software it can be save or export or render also. Now what I will do, I will go back to YouTube, click on this camera icon again, and I will go to select a photo from your computer, and I will be selecting my logo or the wallpaper. This is wall YT YouTube wall. It is uploading, and after uploading it will give you a preview of three types of display. Like this is your desktop display, this is your mobile phone display, and this is your TV display. You can adjust the crop by clicking here. Let me show you again. I closed it accidentally. You can simply adjust the cropping by this button. Adjust the crop like this, and then select. It is saving, and here we go, it's done. Now if you look into you can also check this presentation in your mobile phone screens also. In case of my channel, only this portion will come in mobile phone section. So it was very easy, and you can try it by any software. You can use GIMP, you can use Picasa, you can use your Canva, Photoshop,